Let's solve a problem from BmMT 2022 Berkeley Mini Math Tournament. Okay, last year. It's 18, problem number 18. It says let R, S, and T be the three roots of P of x equal to x cubed minus 9x minus 9. Compute the value of this. We want to solve this problem with two solutions. Solution number one is normal solution, so much logical. Solution number two, a little creativity. But before solving the problem, I want to tell you Vieta's formula for this problem, how to apply it. For Vieta's formula, we want to use is the problem says x cubed minus our polynomial is x cubed minus 9x minus 9. It is our p of x. Also, because the roots are st, it is equal to x minus r, x minus s, x minus t. And look here, you should place the coefficient of this part. It is 1, so it is 1. Now, from this part, if you calculate, it will be x cubed plus x squared times minus r minus s minus t plus x times rs plus rt plus st minus rst. Okay, now the related coefficients are equal. For x squared, left hand side is 0, right hand side is negative r minus s minus t. Coefficient of x left hand side is negative 9. Right hand side is rs plus rt plus st. For constant term or coefficient of x to 0, left side is negative 9. Right side is negative rst. So we call these things Vieta's formula. So r plus s plus t equal to 0. Rs plus rt plus st equal to negative 9. And rst equal to 9. Okay? So, okay, now let's focus on calculating the thing we want. Solution number 1, it's longer than solution number 2. Longer and more logical. Okay. Solution number 2 is you should use something, then you can solve faster. Okay, so here the thing we want to calculate is this, and our polynomial is this. Here, from this part, when you want to consider, for example, for RST, there are roots, you can say 0, so x cubed equal to 9x plus 9. Okay, so r cubed is 9r plus 9. And if you replace, it is r squared, first bracket. 9r minus 10r is negative r, 9 minus 8 is plus 1. For other terms also, we can place the same thing. S cubed minus s plus 1 and t cubed minus t plus 1. So here also we should place s squared and t squared. If you don't want to use any creativity and only multiply, I will tell you something. When I tell you solution number 2, you will see also in this a solution you can do something to reach for example, shorter solution. But here I don't want to use any creativity. I just want to multiply. So first one, I say r squared minus r plus 1 times. You multiply s squared to all of them. It will be what? S squared t squared minus s squared t plus s squared, then minus st squared for this part. You multiply minus st squared plus st minus s, then you multiply 1, it will be plus t squared minus t plus 1. Okay? Now in next step, we multiply r squared to all of them. It will be r squared, let's write r squared s squared t squared minus r squared s squared t plus r squared s squared minus r squared st squared plus r squared st minus r squared s plus r squared t squared minus r squared t plus r squared. Then we multiply by negative r. It will be negative r s squared t squared for this one if we multiply, plus rs squared t minus rs squared plus rst squared minus rst plus rs minus rt squared plus rt minus r. Okay, and the last one you multiply by 1 will be s squared t squared minus s squared t plus s squared minus st squared plus st minus s plus t squared minus t plus 1. Okay, now let's rearrange it. R squared, s squared, t squared, we've considered that. Then in next step, this one, r squared, s squared, t, r squared, st squared, or st squared here. If we factor from negative rst, then we have r plus, let's see, rs, sorry. rs in first one, next one rt, and last one st. We consider that. And then r squared s squared, then r squared t squared, and then s squared, we should find also s squared t squared. So plus r squared s squared plus r squared t squared plus s squared t squared. The next part, r squared st, let's consider it like this, r squared st, rs squared t, rst squared. And if we factor from rst, it will be r plus s plus t. Okay, now let's consider next term. R squared s, r squared t, rs squared, rt squared, s squared t, st squared. So it will be negative r squared s plus r squared t plus rs squared plus rt squared plus s squared t plus st squared. Now let's see what things are left. R squared here. R squared, then let's see, s squared t squared. So plus r squared plus s squared plus t squared. What are the other things? Minus rst, this part, minus rst, and the next one, rt, st, rt, st, rs, so plus rs plus rt plus st. And the next things that are left, minus r minus s minus t. So minus r plus s plus t and plus 1. Okay, we want to calculate these things. So here we found these important things. Okay, let's copy and paste it here. Okay, so r squared, s squared, t squared, we can calculate. This part we can calculate. We can calculate by these things. But this part, for this part, I want to tell you an identity. You should know this when you participate in these exams. A plus b plus c squared is a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2ab plus 2ac plus 2bc. Okay, now I want to focus on this part. I say, let's focus on this part. rs plus rt plus st squared is r squared s squared. Let's call this one a, big A. Okay, it is big A plus 2 times rs times rt will be r squared, or rs rt, r squared st plus rs st, 2rs squared t plus rt st will be 2rst squared. Then we can say a plus 2rst times r plus s plus t. So if we use the things that here we have, rs, this one will be, it's negative 9, this part is 0. So a, because this part is 0, a equal negative 9 squared. So a is 81. Okay, so we found a. This part is also easy. Now this part. We should focus on calculating also this part. We call this part B. Okay. For calculating B, we can say r squared plus s squared plus t squared times r plus s plus t. It creates all terms in B, except you should subtract minus r cubed minus s cubed minus t cubed. Okay. And because our polynomial is p of x equal to x cubed minus 9x plus 9, we can calculate this part. Why? Because we say, okay, r cubed is negative x cubed when it is 0, x cubed is 9x plus 9. So if you write r cubed is 9r plus 9, s cubed is 9rs plus 9, t cubed is 9t plus 9. If we add r cubed plus s cubed plus t cubed equal to 9 times r plus s plus t plus 27. Here r plus s plus t 0, so it will be 27. 27 is because 9 plus 9 plus 9. Okay, so r cubed plus s cubed plus t cubed is this, so it will be 0 minus this, minus 27. Okay, so we've calculated this part, and we can say b equal to negative 27. Okay, let's move this part here. Okay, we've calculated b, this part. Let's call this part, it's the last term we should calculate. This solution is good for learning how to work with identities. Again, we use this one, and we know r squared plus s squared plus t squared is r plus s plus t squared minus 2rs plus rt plus st. R plus s plus t is 0, it will be 0 minus 2 times, this part is negative 9. So it is 18. So we've calculated this. Now, I want to reach the answer. Our answer is this. So, let's copy. Okay, so RST, R squared, S squared, T squared, because of this part is 81. RS plus RT plus ST from here is negative 9. RST is 9. Okay. And A we found is 81 here. RST on this part, because we have R plus S plus is 0, so here this part is B, which we said is negative 27. This part is C, which we found that is 18. RST is 9. RS plus RT plus ST is negative 9. R plus S plus T is 0, and it's 1. Okay, so here let's calculate 81 minus 9 times negative 9 is 81 again. The next one is 81. The next one is 0. The next one, negative 27 plus 27 plus 18 minus 9 minus 9 minus 0 plus 1. Okay, so minus 9, 18 will be cancelled. 3 times 81 is 243 plus 27 plus 1. 243 plus 27 is 207 plus 70 plus 1, 271. So the answer is this. Now we want to work on second solution for this problem. Let me write second solution, solution number 2. For solution number 2, we write again, because r, s, t are roots, we write x minus r, x minus s times x minus t. Okay, again we do the same thing, because x when it is 0, x cubed minus 9x minus 9 is 0. We can say x cubed is 9x plus 9 for roots. So r cubed is 9r plus 9. So if we call, for example, it is our answer equal to r squared. 9r minus 10r is minus r, plus 9 minus 8 is plus 1. S squared minus s plus 1. T squared minus t plus 1. Okay, we want to calculate this. But here, when you see this, we have a famous identity that a cubed minus b cubed, or a cubed plus b cubed, is a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. So up to this part that we write like this, it is like solution number 1, but here, because it is a special one, we can write it as this. So here, as you can see, it is similar to this one. We can say r cubed plus 1 cubed, which is 1, is r plus 1 times r squared minus r plus 1. So we can say r squared minus r plus 1. We know r is not -1. We can divide by r plus 1. The reason r is not -1 because if you replace -1 here, it's not 0. So r squared minus r plus 1 is r cubed plus 1 over r plus 1. So we can say it's r cubed plus 1 over r minus 1 times s cubed plus 1 over s minus 1 times t cubed plus 1 over t minus 1. Again, because we said r cubed is 9r plus 1, we say 9r plus 1 plus 1. Sorry, 9r plus 9. So it will be 9r plus 9 plus 1, 9r plus 10. And we can write it 9r plus 10 over r minus 1 times. Here, similarly, it will be 9s plus 10 over s minus 1. The last one, 9t plus 10 over t minus 1. Okay, now, next step, let's focus on denominator. R minus 1, s minus 1, t minus 1. Look, we have these four, p of x. So if you concept p of 1, let me write with other color. P of 1 is 1 minus r, 1 minus s, 1 minus t. And if you replace 1 here, it's 1 minus 9 is minus 18. 1 minus 18 is negative 17. Okay? And because it is r minus 1, s minus 1, t minus 1, you should negate all of them. If you negate all of them, because we have three negative ones, r minus 1, s minus 1, t minus 1 is at 17. So it will be 17, 1 over 17 times 9r plus 10 times 9s plus 10 times 9t plus 10. Again, we want to use same way. Okay, okay, we want to find 9r plus 10 because here, look, it is r something. You can also write it as negative if you negate all of them because we have three negative ones, s minus x, t minus x, okay. And because here we have r plus 10, the coefficients 9 are bad. So we factor 9 cubed over 17. From each of them, we factor from 9. R plus 10 over 9, S plus 10 over 9, and T plus 10 over 9, okay? And then if we consider P of negative 10 over 9, we negative R plus 10 over 9, S plus 10 over 9, and T plus 10 over 9. And it will be negative, P of negative 10 over 9 is this. So P of negative 10 over 9, if you replace it, let's just do something here. Look, we've considered solution number 2. And we should divide by s plus 1. Sorry. Here we consider plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Okay, so because you want to calculate these, here you should calculate P of, let me erase this part. You should calculate P of negative 1. Okay, so P of negative 1 because it should be plus. It's negative 1 minus R, negative 1 minus S, negative 1 minus T. So it will be negative, because we have three negatives, it will be 1 plus R, 1 plus S, 1 plus T. And if you consider P of negative 1 here, it's plus 9 minus 9, 0, negative 1. So P of negative 1 is negative 1, so this part is 1. Okay, so here the denominator will be 1. We don't need to calculate denominator, okay? Okay, now let's calculate negative 10 over 9. P of negative 10 over 9, if we replace here, it will be negative 10 over 9 cubed minus 9 times negative 10 over 9 minus 9. So it will be 1000 over 9 cubed, which is 7 to 9. 9 will be cancelled, plus 10 minus 9 is 1. So, sorry, here negative 10 cubed is negative 1000. So it's negative 1000 plus. Okay, so it will be, if we use common denominator, it will be negative 1000 plus 729 over 729. So it will be negative 271 over 729 And if we calculate this, here it will be 921, 9 cubed. Okay, so for this part, we know P of negative 10 over 9 is negative 271 over 729. And because we have negative negative, so the inside part is positive. So it will be 9 cubed over 271 over 729. We can cancel these two things and it will be 271. Okay, so it was solution number 2. We've calculated this a little. Solution number 1 was more logical, but also it was good to see how we can solve this problem with this idea. Use identities. Okay, so if you want to learn, we have also Newton's sum, so much useful. Vieta's formula in AMC, American Mathematics Competition, AME, USAMO, BMO. In many exams, Vieta's formula you need to know. In algebra at school, if you want to learn how to approach a problem, improve your problem solving, if you want to know 40, 50 important formulas in geometry, important ideas in combinatorics, algebra, calculus, number theory, feel free to send message to my WhatsApp number in the description and comments. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell, and like the video. Thanks. Take care, be safe. Bye bye.